So one of the most relevant challenges that I'm seeing and it's coming up in every conversation is just really the AI, machine learning, and the scale, and quite frankly, the discovery and the value. Every partner that we work with has some sort of AI lingo or tagline. It's becoming a little bit of the cloud of, I'll say this era and this next 10 years that we're going through. So what does that really mean, and how do we digest that? I think first and foremost, it comes down to looking at what the overall outcome is on the problem that you're looking to solve. And there's a little self-reflection in there, and I think AI gets used pretty loosely. Some of the things can be done just simply with machine learning. It can be done with more simplistic services. But when you do get into the AI conversation, what we've seen is the cloud provides an excellent platform to do net new service creation. And when I talk about that, it's being able to provide cloud capabilities, data sets, large language models that are provisioned through the cloud that ultimately you're connected to in a hybrid context, and you're able to do service-based discovery. You're able to open that up and create new test cases and use cases. And that provides you infinite capabilities of discovery. Now, the long-term sustainability of that is netting those use cases in which are real to the business, and then looking and doing a financial analysis, an operational analysis as to what that workload actually entails and what you need to have up in the cloud from a capabilities perspective, what the data governance is going to be, and if you have any sovereignty requirements that you need to adhere to, what the security requirements are that interoperate, and data sharing agreements too, if there potentially could be conflict of interest or competitive information. All of that needs to be taken into account when you determine how you're going to facilitate your long-term strategy. That may be private cloud, that may be consuming from a public cloud, that may be creating those services on site, but it's a case-by-case basis, and it's something that is definitely worth analyzing and having a detailed conversation about.